everyone. In this lesson, we are going to go through task 1 of the general training writing test and show you what a model answer would look like. Please download and print off the following attachments: the question paper and the blank answer sheet. It is very important in the exam not to open the question paper until you are told to do so. Please write your name and candidate number in the spaces at the top of the question paper and answer sheet. Once you have done this, we will begin. For task 1, it says you should spend about 20 minutes on this task, which you already know from the previous video. Then it says a friend has agreed to look after your house and pet while you are on holiday. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, give contact details for when you are away, give instructions about how to care for your pet, and describe other household duties. Write at least 150 words, and you do not need to write any addresses, which you already know from my previous video. Okay, let's get started. In the question, it says to begin your letter with "Dear." So I am going to begin my letter by writing "Dear John." You can choose whatever name you want here, but it should be a name in English, not Japanese or Chinese. In the question, it says that a friend has agreed to look after your house and pet while you are on holiday. I would use this information in your first sentence of your letter. Simply say something like, "Thank you for agreeing to house sit for me while I am away on holidays." Now read what they are asking you to do. They are asking you to give contact details for when you are away. So you should say something like, "If you need to contact me during my holiday, I will be staying at the Radisson Hotel in Sydney. If it's urgent, however, please ring my mobile phone, which I'll keep with me at all times. I've written the numbers on a sticky note, which I've left on the fridge." This is a perfect answer and will help you score a level 9 band score. Then they're asking you to give instructions about how to care for your pet. It's important that you start a new paragraph here, as you are going to be writing about something new. For those of you wondering when should you start a new paragraph, the simple answer is, when you write about something new, always use a new paragraph. So in a new paragraph, you should say something like, "My cat needs to be fed twice daily, so each morning and evening, put a handful of cat biscuits in his dish. You will find these in the kitchen pantry. Also, please check throughout the day to make sure he has fresh water. You can give him a small bowl of milk in the evening." If you gave this answer, you would score a band 9 in your IELTS exam. The last thing they ask you to do is describe other household duties. Again, you should begin a new paragraph as you will be writing about something new. So always start a new paragraph when you're writing or going to talk about something new. An example of a perfect answer to this part of the task would be something like, "I would like you to water my plants too. The indoor ones in the lounge only need water once every few days, but the plants on the balcony need to be watered daily unless there has been heavy rain. Finally, for security, please clear my mailbox every day and keep the outside lights on at night." Then, to finish your letter, just end it with, "I look forward to seeing you on my return. Yours, Michelle." This is an example of a personal letter. The other types of letters you may be asked to write are a formal letter or a semi-formal letter. The best way to practice for the writing test of the IELTS exam is to purchase a set of IELTS exam papers and practice the writing test questions over and over again. In the next lesson, we will look at task 2 of the IELTS general training writing test. See you soon.